Welcome, my dear students of class 10A and 10B to my history and civics class. Today's topic, the Second World War. The points as I mentioned in the board, please look at it. Hitler's stand on Poland, negative effect of the Treaty of Versailles, role of France and Britain, geographical importance of Danzig, the first part of the Second World War. Now Hitler's stand on Poland. Hitler, from the very beginning, was determined to take a revenge against the harshing and insulting Treaty of Versailles, which their country was forced to sign at the end of the Second World War. At the end of the First World War. Most of the territories of Germany were handed over to the Allied powers, including the Saar, the coal mine areas, also were handed over to the Allied powers. As a result, German economy was totally destroyed. Not only that, the country, as per the terms of the Treaty of Versailles, was divided into two parts, East Germany and West Germany. Now, why was that division? That means, in order to give a land route to Poland through sea, Germany was divided. Moreover, the port of Danzig was given to Poland. But now, under the leadership of Hitler, Germany wanted to gain back her lost territories. The city of Danzig, where many Germans were living. Danzig was inhabited mainly by the Germans. German population, German speaking people were there. But they were humiliated at the hands of police government. Germany could connect with East Prussia. Germany decided to regain Danzig so that she could connect with East Prussia. A treaty was signed between Germany and Russia in the year 1939. According to that treaty, no one would attack against each other. No one would declare war against each other. That treaty is known as Non-Aggression Pact of 1939. It was signed between Russia and Germany. Poland was accused of committing atrocities against the Germans living there. As a result, on September 1st, 1939, the Germans marched towards Poland. The German armies marched into Poland. Why? What was the intention of Hitler? The intention of Hitler was to teach Poland a good lesson That's why France and England gave an ultimatum to Germany. But Hitler was determined to regain her lost territories over there. That's why, in order to teach the Allied powers a good lesson, Hitler attacked France on September 3rd. Both the two countries, France and Britain, declared war on Germany. Thus, the invasion of Poland marked the beginning of another world war, the Second World War, my dear students. The German armies completed the conquest of Poland less than 3 weeks. Why? Because Germany wanted to isolate Poland from the aid, so that no aid would reach Poland. That's why she completed the war completed the fighting less than 3 months, completed the conquest of Poland in less than 3 months, so that no aid would reach Poland. But the declaration, whatever was signed, it had no positive effect, because the war during that period from September 1939 to April 1939 was dormant. Many countries of Europe were thinking whether they should get themselves in another world war, because most of the countries of Europe, they wanted to avoid another world war. But it was Germany, in the interest of herself, wanted to gain back her lost image, lost glory, lost power. That's why Hitler established Germany to be a very powerful country. Its economical development in the field of social, cultural, political field, in the field of social, cultural and political upliftment, Germany had done extremely well under the leadership of Hitler. Hitler made a very powerful army to fight against the Allied powers. Hitler did not want to consider the insult. Hitler did not want to digest the insults of the German people living there in Danzig by the police government. Danzig, which was given to Poland under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles, had left many negative effects. Many German people who were living in Danzig had no honor, no regards. They all were insulted by the police people. Hitler decided to regain her lost territory, Danzig, by hook or by crook. Hitler wanted to connect Germany with East Prussia. That's why the division of Germany, according to Hitler, was not convenient. He wanted to get it united. In the interest of Poland, temporarily, Germany was divided into two parts in order to give a land route to Poland through sea route. How funny is it? Germany could not protest only because of the reason Germany was declared guilty of aggression for the First World War and had to pay $33 billion as war indemnity. It is due to that reason, my dear students, Hitler gained popularity from the people of Germany. German people extended their cooperation towards Hitler, and Hitler assured before the people of Germany that he would establish Germany to be one of the most powerful countries of the world by defeating the Allied powers. And only because of that reason, my dear students, Hitler attacked Poland, which marked the beginning of the Second World War. And what happened to next? Next day I shall re-explain. Thank you, my dear students.